Hi Stackers, Regal Stacker here. Another little unboxing. Let's see what we've got here. Now you will have seen these coins before. Numa Stacker, very carefully looked after this for me. So let me get these out. Very nice. Just have to cut this open. Stop, Libby, what are you doing to me? So what we have is the 2016 £2 sovereign. Lovely little coin. PF70 Ultra Cameo, one of the first 75 struck. But look at that little bit below, the Regal collection. This is the start of the Regal Sovereign collection which I'm doing. And that's the £2 sovereign. And with that, we have this little beauty, 2016 £5 sovereign, MS60, so PF70 Ultra Cameo on the first 75 struck, and again the Regal collection. So all my sovereigns and £5 sovereigns and sovereign collection will be under the Regal collection eventually. I'm working my way through it, so I've already got the sovereign and the half sovereign. I will show you that together soon. So there we go, the £2 sovereign under the Regal collection and the £5 sovereign under the Regal collection. So be prepared, a lot of future coins you will see, not just quite yet, but into the new year will be under the Regal collection, because it gives it that touch of class and elegance, which you know with my videos that I'm an elegant type of guy. Never a cross word or abusive word in my language. You know, I like to keep things clean. Oh fuck, I'm lying, who cares? But there you go. Tell me if you like these, if you're on YouTube or DTube, upvote me. If you're on Steam, tell me what you think. Don't you just love the £5 sovereign? It's a big, big coin and plenty of gold in it. Thanks a lot.